Hi, this is Ed from Fab Defense. Today I want to talk to you about new Glock magazines. We have a Glock 17 and a Glock 19 magazines. Let's start with the Glock 19. The Glock 19 comes with 16 round capacity instead of the 15 round that you normally get. Both of them come with the blue follower that it's easy to see when you run out of ammo. Both of them come in a little plastic bag like this with two base plates. One is the standard base plate and the other is a tactical base plate. Hard to see, but you can see it good in the pictures on the website. The difference between them is that the tactical base plate is a lot easier to grip. So if you need to take it out of the pouch, you get a good grip, or if you have a hard jam and you need to yank the magazine out, there's really good, there's room for your fingers so you can grab it and just yank it out. So, like I said, the Glock 19 magazine comes with two base plates, 16 round capacity, blue follower. Same with the Glock 17. This gun here shown with the tactical base plate, and then again when you run out of rounds, it's really nice to see the blue follower. You know that you're out of rounds. Change the magazine. This is what the magazine with the standard follower look like. And then the Glock 17 magazine comes with 18 rounds. So basically you get an extra round and an extra tactical base plate. Both of them cost $19.99, $19.99. And they come in this little blue baggie. They're available now. The Glock 19 available right now. We have them in the warehouse. We start selling them. Glock 17 we should have within a week or two. You can start order now. And like I said, $19.99. You get an extra round, an extra base plate, and a really good polymer magazine that is kind of rough, so you can get a good grip on it, just like all other Glock, AR, AK magazines. Thank you.